Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view your search history in Perplexity AI. This is incredibly useful when you need to revisit previous conversations, review research you've done, or simply keep track of your queries over time. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to perplexity.ai. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your login details to access your account. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to the main Perplexity interface where you can start exploring your history. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. Here you'll find several navigation options, and one of them is labeled History. Click on History to access your complete search archive. This section stores all your past interactions with Perplexity, making it easy to reference previous conversations whenever you need them. Once you're in the History section, look at the top toolbar. You'll notice several categories displayed here, including threads, media, apps, and documents. These tabs help you organize and filter your search history based on the type of content you've interacted with. This organization makes it much simpler to locate specific information you're looking for. If you want to reopen any previous conversation, simply click on any thread that appears in your history. Clicking on it will take you back to that specific search, where you can view the full query you made, all the responses Perplexity provided, and the sources it referenced. This is particularly helpful when you want to continue research or share findings with others. Sometimes you'll want to clean up your history by removing old or unnecessary threads. To delete a thread, hover your mouse over the thread you want to remove. You'll see 3 dotted lines appear beside it. Click on these 3 dots and a small menu will pop up. From this menu, select Delete. Perplexity will ask you to confirm this action to prevent accidental deletions, so click Confirm to permanently remove that thread from your history. For even better organization, use the filters available at the top of your history page. You can sort your threads by newest to oldest, or filter by specific modes like Pro Search. These filtering options make it significantly easier to navigate through large amounts of search history and find exactly what you're looking for, without scrolling endlessly. And that's it. You now know how to access, review, manage, and delete your search history in Perplexity AI. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.